Yep, this is the room. We're gonna build that up to make it level with that surface. And then up the top, you have to build up to make that level. So they want to extend the floor, upper floor, and they want to extend this second tier. Right now we're taking up all the carpet comes up, all these nose guards come up, and we're gonna store them underneath this floor that we built up. So we got 2x6 going on the edge, 2x6 going on the edge, and then 2x6 going on top of those at 16-inch centers. So that 6-inch gap that we got underneath, that's where the carpet tiles are going. That's the ground level. Then we come up and the next level. So you have this, that steps down with the railing. Then this level here, and the railing. And then it steps down to the lower section. So we're just pre-fitting these because they have to come out for the electrician for tomorrow, so we can catch these boxes on all the faces. We left the top 18-inch piece loose so they can get access to those existing ones, so they can put a blank cover on or something like that. So yep, that's the latest. All right, gents, this is where we're at. We put the first coat on, coat of paint, the air vents. Yeah, I don't know if your floor guys are planning on working with this as far as notching it around the post. But if that's something that you want us to do, let us know while and then they could butt the vinyl up to it. We have all the pieces there.